one more example of how to solve the development of lateral surfaces of solids by using AutoCAD software. First, you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. Go to specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner take 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of the screen, click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and take the mouse to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends, zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this line and this line, fillet between this and this, fillet between this and this. Then go to zoom window. Now here you just go to D-text, specify start point, select some point, take the height as 4, rotation angle of test as 0, type 216 and give some space, and go to A, vertical cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis length 60 mm is cut by two planes which are perpendicular to VP, and inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and passing through the center point on the top face, Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cylinder. Now let's come down to zoom previous and go down to zoom window. Now we'll go for layer command. Click on new, type the layer by name XY and take the layer by name views. So here you just go to set the line weight of layer 0 as 0.05 and set the layer XY line weight as 0.13 and say let the layer set the layer of views as 0.5 and say OK and then say close. Now we go for a circle command. First we're going to take a circle of diameter 50, type D, type 50, then go to line, quadrant of this, then quadrant of this, then go to array, select this, take the center point of array, select objects, you select this, then polar, take center point of this array and take the number of items as 12. Then here, then exit. Now here, then go to line, draw a horizontal line and take the offset distance as 60, and then go to line, take INT of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to line, INT of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to line, INT of this and say perpendicular to this, then go to line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to mirror, select this, mirror with reference to this line, then go to fillet or trim between these two and these two, trim this cutting edges, then go to break. Now you go for line, take INT of this and say at the rate 100 less than minus 45, then go to trim this line till here, then go to mirror, select this line, mirror with reference to this, then go to break, break this line till here, int of this, and then again break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection point of this in the horizontal direction, then go to line, select this line and draw a horizontal line, then go to move, select this, move this till here, then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Now we want to go for offset. Now here you just go to break this, you break this line here, you break this line till here, then go to break, select this line, you break, you take this, and here it is not required, then go to select these entities on this and on this and in this, and go to ch and click on the circle and go to layer, click on views, so then go to line weight display, then here, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line end of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to offset, take 157.08, you select this and offset here, then you select between these two and you select between these two, then go to offset, gives, open the bracket, give front slash, type 150, give space 157.08, and again give space, one space and type 12, and then enter, open the bracket, close the bracket and then enter, then go to offset, you can see 13.09 is the offset distance, offset this 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So since you have divided the 12 segments, so this also has to be divided into 12 segments. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Now here go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this, take int of this here, then int of this and then int of this, then go to extend this line till here, then go to line, int of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Now we have this, then go to p-edit, select this entire join, select this entire thing and convert it to a single, then go to p-edit, select this line, take fit curve, once it fits, then go to break this line till here, int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then you select this line and this, then go to layer, make that layer as views and change it to views. Now we have completed the sketch. Now we need to draw the, then go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, so you make the linear dimension as up to second decimal point, and then go to extra, you take this dimension as 4, align with the dimension line, centered above, take offset from the origin as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3, say OK and then say close. Then dim horizontal, you select this line, you take it as 157.08, then go take int of this and take int of this and int of this, and here you type text, type percentage C 50 diameter, then go to dim vertical, take int of this and take int of this, and since you want only text 60, type 60 and then enter. Then go to dim TED, select this line and take it here. Then go to dim angular and you select between this line and this line, you will going to get 45 degree. Then dim angular, select between these two, you take it 45 degree. Now we go for D text. So here you mark this as capital X, capital VP, capital HP, capital Y. So here you mark this as capital A, D, G, K, and here it is A. Then you mark this as small letter A, D, G, and K. Then here it is A dash, here it is D dash, here it is G dash, here it is K dash in bracket. Then here you mark this as 1 dash, and you mark this as 2 dash, you mark this as 3 dash, you mark this as 4 dash, then you have 5 dash and 5 dash, then you have 6 dash, then you have 7 dash, then you have bracket 8 dash, then you have bracket 9 dash, then you have bracket 10 dash, 9 dash, bracket 10 dash, then bracket 11 dash, then bracket 12 dash. Similarly, you mark this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then you have 11, then you have 12, then you have 1. Then here you write it as development. Say enter. Now we want to move this, then go to move, draw zoom window. Now you go to move, put off the ortho mode, move this X VP and then HP, then here it is A dash, then here it is D dash, then here it is K dash, here it is G dash, then here it is Y, then here it is D, then you have A, then you have K, then you have G, then you have 1 dash, then go to dim TED, select this dimension and you mark it here, then you mark this here, then you mark this here, then go to move, then go to 2 dash, then go to 12 dash, then go to 3 dash, then go to 11 dash, then 4 dash, then 10 dash, then 5 dash, then 9 dash, then 6 dash, then 8 dash, then you have 7 dash, then you have zoom previous, go back to the previous row, and go to zoom window and take 1 and you take 2 and this becomes 3, this becomes 4, this becomes 5, this becomes 6, this becomes 7, this becomes 8, and this will be 9, and this will be 10, and this will be 11, this will be 12, and this will be 1. Then go to move, development, you place it appropriately, then go to zoom previous, then go to say go to the appropriate drive, go to AutoCAD, then go to development drawing and P216. So, and save this, and finally you will go into exit.